we're going to make 5-flavor Cajun mac and cheese. We're going to start with 2 pounds of sliced andouille sausage. And we're going to throw our Cajun seasoning on there. Throw about a tablespoon worth of Slap Your Mama or whatever Cajun seasoning you like. You can do a little more if you want a little extra kick. Once you got that in there, we're also going to throw some onion soup mix for a little extra flavor, or a lot, and some brown gravy mix, as well as some ranch seasoning. And once you get all that in there, we're going to start throwing our more liquidy things in there. So we're going to put 1 can of Rotel, as well as 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth and 2 cups of heavy cream, because we are making that mac and cheese. This is just the start, folks. Once you have that, give it a light stir so all them flavors and everything can kind of get mixed around together. And once you got that stirred around a little bit, finally we're going to throw 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese on top. Cut it into little cubes and just spread it over the top here. And once you got all that in there, we'll go ahead and put our lid on. And we're going to put it on high for 2 to 3 hours. And we got some more important stuff coming. And after 2 to 3 hours, go ahead and take that lid off. It is smelling good. Go ahead and stir that around so that cream cheese gets nice and mixed around in there. Should only take a few seconds. Once you have it stirred around, we're going to pour in 16 ounces of cooked elbow macaroni. It is a macaroni recipe, but we ain't done. Once you have your macaroni in there, go ahead and just get it all folded together. And once you've folded it in a little bit, we're going to throw in 1 cup of mozzarella cheese and also 2.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Shredded this myself. Hits the Ziploc. Once you get all your cheese in there, go ahead and fold it together until it's nice and melted. Alright, and once you got it nice and melty in there, this baby should be ready to try. So let's dig in, folks. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. Look at that, y'all. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This may be the goat. This may be the macaroni goat. Let's dig in. Oh my goodness. Y'all, this may be truly the best macaroni I've ever had. Try the recipe, see what you think.